In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to add Amazon affiliate links to YouTube just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to go to Amazon and choose which product you want to promote in your YouTube videos. For example, I want to promote this product. As you can see, guys, what I will do, I will click here on text. So you should already have an Amazon affiliate account to see this bar over here, okay? So just click on text and copy your affiliate link. This is your Amazon affiliate link, and go back to your YouTube homepage like this. Click on your YouTube profile picture and click over here on YouTube Studio, okay? And you will be directly in your YouTube Studio homepage. Click on content, and you just need to choose which video you want to use to promote your Amazon affiliate links. For example, I will choose this video. I will click on edit, and you will be directly in this page like this. Click over here in your description and go to your description, and I will put here get this. I'm gonna write here get this product here, okay? And I will put my Amazon affiliate link here like this, okay? And click on save, and your Amazon affiliate link will be added in your YouTube video. That's how you can add Amazon affiliate links on YouTube into your YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.